Hello everyone, welcome to Discover Kids Education. Today we are going to learn river system in India. India is one of the largest water resources countries in the world. It is estimated that the total water resources is 4%. The scientific study of rivers called potamology. The rivers of India can be classified into two main types. Number 1, rivers of North India or rivers of Himalaya. Number 2, rivers of South India or rivers of Deccan Plateau. In rivers of North India, again we are going to divide into two parts: west flowing rivers, east flowing rivers. West flowing rivers, that is Sindhu River or Indus River. Indus River is one of the main rivers of the Indo-Gangetic Plain in the Indian subcontinent. The Indus River flows northwest of Jammu Kashmir between Ladakh Range to Pakistan near Karachi and merge into the Arabian Sea. The total length of this river is 2880 km. In India, it flows only 709 km. There are 5 tributaries of Sindhu River: Jhelum, Chenab, Beas, Ravi and Satluj. It originating in Tibetan Plateau near Lake Manasa Sarovar. These 5 rivers are flowing in Punjab. So, Punjab called land of 5 rivers. Now, let's learn a detailed information about tributaries of Sindhu River. Number 1. Jhelum River. Its old name Vitasta. It originates Varinag in western Jammu Kashmir of Pir Panjal range. Its length 725 km. In India, it flows 400 km. The Jhelum River has many hydropower and irrigation projects in Kashmir. In that, we should remember very important dam, that is Uri Dam, located in Jammu Kashmir. This river built on Jhelum River. Another important point, Jhelum River creates its two lakes, that is Ular Lake and Dal Lake. Ular Lake is one of the largest freshwater lake in Asia, located at Bandipora district in Jammu Kashmir. Next, Chenab River. Its old name Asikini. It originates the two streams, the Chandra and the Baga, merge with each other. These two streams originates from the southwest and northwest faces of Baralacha Pass in Himalayan Lahul and Spiti Valley in Himachal Pradesh. Its length 960 km. In India, it flows 356 km. Some dams built on Chenab River. They are Baglia Dam, Salal Dam, Dulhasti Dam. Next, Ravi River. Its old name Purusini. It originates in Chamba or Kulu Hills near the Rohtang Pass Valley in Himachal Pradesh. Its length 720 km. The total length of this river is 2880 km. In India, it flows only 709 km. Next, Beas River. Its old name Vipasa. This river has special feature. That means this river originates in India and also ends in India. That means this river originates in Kulu Hills near the Rohtang Pass in Himachal Pradesh and ends at Kapurthala district of Punjab. The length of this river 470 km. Another important point, Pong Dam, is built on Beas River, located at Himachal Pradesh. Last, Sutlej River. Its old name Sutudri. This river originates from behind Indian borders in the southern slopes of the mountain Kailash near Manasa Sarovar from Rakas Sarovar. The Sutlej River is the longest river of these 5 rivers. Its length 1450 km. In India, it flows 1050 km. And sometimes this river called Red River. Now I am going to tell you some important points of Indus River. Indus River Treaty. The treaty was signed at Karachi by Indian Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and President of Pakistan Ayub Khan and intercession of World Bank and IBRD on 19 September 1960. Under this treaty, eastern rivers are Beas, Ravi, Sutlej were allocated to India for exclusive use, and western rivers are Indus, Chenab, Jhelum were allocated to Pakistan for exclusive use. And next point, Indus or Sindhu river called father of rivers. These are all a detailed information about Indus river. In the next video, I am going to explain eastern flowing rivers in northern India. I hope you enjoyed this landing. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get the notification on the new videos immediately. Thank you.